with my head up in a daze. I'm not sure if I should say this, fuck, I'll say it anyway. Everybody tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. I don't know if it's a phase, I just wanna feel okay, yeah. I battle with depression, but the question still remains. Is this post-traumatic stressing, or am I suppressing rage? And my doctor tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. Yeah, it's not a fucking phase, I just wanna feel okay. Okay, yeah, I struggle with this bullshit every day, and it's probably cause my demons simultaneously rage. It obliterates me, the sentence overrates me, annihilates me. I'm about to break down, searching for a way out. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, I'm a non-believer. I'm a popular monster. Break down, falling into love, now we're falling apart. I'm a popular monster.
I represent, I also represent anyone on my receiving end of those jokes you bit. I'm the nightmare you fell asleep and then woke up still in. I'm your karma closing in with each stroke of a pen. Perfect time to have some remorse to show for your sin. No, it's hopeless. I'm like the now that your hope is the end. When they say all of this is approaching its end, you refuse to believe that it's over. Here we go all over again. Backs to the wall, I'm stacking up all the minds, toilets hard. Yeah, cause I'm talking a lot of shit, but I'm backing it all up. But in my head, there's a voice in the back and it hollers after the track is demolished. I am your lack of a conscience. I'm the ringing in your ears, I'm the pilot on the back of your tonsil, seeing your vocal cords after your conscience. I'm your time that's almost up that you haven't acknowledged. Grab for some water, but I'm not filled, it's too giant to swallow. I'm the police you hate, that you became, with every faggot you slaughtered coming back on you, every woman you insult. Panic of the double standard you had when it comes to your daughters. I represent everything, everything. I get closer to the grave, I am terrified, I'm not asleep, and I will again. Crush my car just to feel it down. Let out race me, race me, annihilate me. Cause I'm about to break down, searching for a way out. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, I'm a non-believer. I'm a popular monster. Break down, falling into love, now we're falling apart. I'm a popular fucking monster.
Why does it feel like night today? Something in here's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first, how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head. Like a face that I hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that I watch every time I lie, face that laughs every time I fall. So I know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me, right underneath my skin.
It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right.
Martial madness, the rappers beside us have a facade of Matthew and Steve's just symbolic of you not knowing what you had till it's gone. Cause after all the glitz and the glam, no more fans that are calling your name. Cameras are off, sad but it happens to all of them. I'm the highest, like I say, I told you so. Foreshadows of all the things that are to follow. I'm the future that's here to show you what happens tomorrow. If you don't stop due to the tear and show you what happens tomorrow if you don't stop after they call your beast methods like a rap. You can't call it quits when it's time to walk away. I'm every guilt trip, the baggage you have, but as you gather up all your possessions, if there's anything you have left to say, that's an makes an impact and don't bother. So for your rest in case, better make sure you're packing the wallet.
You got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating, trying to sound like us. Bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating, trying to sound like. Bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating, trying to. Bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating, trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, say they ready for the funk, ready for the funk, but I don't think they know. Say they ready for the funk, say they ready for the funk, ready for the funk, but I don't think they know. My main thing was to be made to pay the game sharper than the razor. Game sharper than the razor. Game sharper than the razor. Game sharper than the razor blade. Live my life as a thug till the day I die. Live my life as a boss. Life is a boss.